Hey everyone, for today's painting video, I am going to be showing you how you can take a very traditional painting and turn it into something very unique. So the first layer of this painting right here was done very traditionally with some grisaille style of painting. I'd say the color palette's very grisaille in nature. If you want to know what that means, it's just basically having very subtle colors. Usually they go from warms to cools, or just these very subtle colors that just shift temperature or shift tint from the lights to the darks. And that's what I kind of did for the first layer. Very traditional way of painting. And what I do for the first layer is I start with the big shapes first. It's my shape-based drawing method where I do the big shapes first and then work my way down to the smaller and smaller details until I have all the detail I need. The nose, the mouth, the eyes, the general forms, everything gets locked in. And that's pretty much where I leave the first layer. Of course, I let it dry for about a week. It takes usually about 4 or 5 days for it to fully dry, but I waited about a week, and then that's where we get into the second layer. That's this layer that you're watching. This is going to be the rest of the video of seeing me do the expressiveness, seeing me do all the abstraction for this painting. So that's going to be everything you see from here on out. Now, some of the things that I decided to do with this second layer was to use some really intense yellows, oranges, and a little bit of red in there, but mostly yellows and oranges. And it's all about being very intentional with your brush strokes. So you'll see a lot of very intentional brush strokes through this second part. You're going to see me playing around, sort of fiddling with where the color's located. Now, the reference image I ended up using is right here. This is what I use for a reference image. And this is the most important reference, is this big one. Then in the corner here, I have my small little reference for the color. And I don't hold myself to that very much, but it's just a starting point. I didn't want to overly conceptualize it in Photoshop. It's just a quick Photoshop edit to get it to a place where it can get me started with the painting. So with all that in mind, I think that's kind of what you're going to see in this video, is this the full process. It's the first layer traditional, second layer very expressive, very abstract, and very unique. So if you ever want to try something like this, let me know. And I'd like to know if you like the first layer more than the second layer. Would you have rather I kept it just to the first layer? I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. And if you do want to see the full video for this, it's going to be done in one video, both parts combined. It's 5 hours. So it's 3 hours for the first layer, 2 hours for the abstraction layer. And it's going to be combined into one layer over on my Patreon account. Now, if you want to go over to my Patreon account, you're going to find a bunch of tutorials. You're going to find a bunch of demonstrations, art downloads, all kinds of stuff to really help you become a better oil painter, especially with portraits. So go over there, check that out. I would also appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, that would be great as well. So with all that in mind, I think I'm just going to go ahead and put some music on so you can watch the full process for the expressive and abstract layer of this painting.